I saw this on eBay, and I just thought, wow, yeah, this is sort of like the pirate fleet theme, and especially after the Da Vinci paddle boat. So from memory, I don't think it was very much. I don't even remember how much. Okay. So, oh, there we go. Tamiya Latent powered rowboat. So it's basically rubber band powered rowboat. And I thought, yeah, this could be really cool. I'm a bit worried. I'm not sure how old it is. Sometimes the rubber bands can deteriorate. The rubber deteriorates. Wow, that looks, actually it does look, it might be old. I'll have to look and see how old it is, but it looks excellent. Looks like this could be fun. I must say it's very cute. It's a very cute little and very simple. It's funny, these little hooks are copper and these ones are steel, and this one's already started to rust. But I tell you, the little screws and the bolts, took me 20 minutes just to bolt that in. Unbelievable. I don't know if it's my fat fingers or I'm just getting too old. But anyway, I'm very impressed so far. I'm a bit worried about this because the kit's old. Rubber bands tend to perish quite. You can also see how the plastic band's gone a bit funny as well. So I'm going to try it. If not, I'll have to get some other rubber bands. But so far I'm just loving this. It's the alloy. This is alloy, beautiful. It's just I don't know. It just has something about it. It just has a great appeal. Going to glue the inner hole to the outer hole. I'm not going to, well, actually it's still soft, but who knows how old that is. So I'll just put that with all the other glues that I don't use, and I'll just use my super glue straight out of the fridge. Okay, what a great looking model. Pretty easy. A little bit fiddly for the fat old fingers, but not a bad little model. It looks fantastic. Of course it has to be painted. Nice little paint thing before it hits the water, but let's see if it works. That's the end of that.